Hello everyone, El Phoenix One here. This is an open tag video about show me your favorite Swiss Army knife. And this is my favorite Swiss Army knife, the Handyman, because it's got all the tools I want and it's still small enough to fit in my front pocket. And let me show you the tools it has. Has a bottle opener, screwdriver, wire stripper, has a can opener, screwdriver, has the pliers, scissors, has the wood saw, has the metal file, have the main blade, and the pen knife. Have the tweezers and the toothpick, and in the back we have the corkscrew. We have a chisel, a small screwdriver, the parcel hook, and the awl. I carry it in a hanger clip and I made a lanyard for it. So show me your favorite Swiss Army knife and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.